In the last video, I tasted the KFC here in Guyana to do a comparison between the KFC here and the KFC back in the US. Today, I'm going to be trying out Royal Castle, which seems to be a pretty good competitor to KFC over here in Guyana. So Royal Castle, from my understanding, started over in Trinidad at the Port of Spain in '68. Then in '98, they got their first location over here in Guyana. And it seems like it was just a very popular chain, and it has just continued to just take off and continue to grow. So basically what I got was a Castle box, and it comes with a very large chicken sandwich, a chicken breast, fries, and a biscuit. So I want to give all this a try. I got everything spicy. All right, I'm gonna start with the fries. If you remember KFC, I thought those were very dry, very bland. They don't salt them. Wasn't very impressed with them. Here at Royal Castle, they do a crinkle cut fry. I really do like crinkle cuts, so very curious. Yeah, I would say the Royal Castle fry to me tastes better than the ones at KFC. I still don't think that they really add any salt to them. If so, it's very lightly salted, but I'm not really getting much salt. So I assume that must not be popular here in Guyana to salt the fries, or if they do, maybe it's just a very light salt fry. But I do like the way they're cooked. They're cooked, just lightly crispy. They still have some bend to them, and the inside very soft. So to me, that's a really good fry. I did get some of their pepper to try, so give that a little try. Yeah, that's a pretty good pepper sauce. Sometimes you forget in Guyana that like some of the fast food places and food court places I've been going to, like the quality of it really seems to be a lot better than what you would consider for fast food or a food court. I've done a couple of videos already from places that I've eaten at food courts at Royal Mall or wherever. And then now I have a couple of fast food places that I'm doing. And every time it seems like they just have, seems like a better quality meal than what you typically would get with fast food or a food court. Yeah, the pepper sauce really good here at Royal. Yeah, that's good. All right, now for the biscuit. This is definitely a lot thinner biscuit, very small, but it also looks like it's a little softer. The one at KFC was real dense, really, really dense, kind of hard even. This one here, it almost has like some kind of glaze on it. And like I said, very soft. Looking forward to it. Yeah, it's almost like a honey glaze. So yeah, that kind of reminds me of like a Church's chicken biscuit, where it's kind of like a honey butter glaze on it. Yeah, it's a really good biscuit. Once again, Royal Castle, I would take their biscuit over KFC's biscuit. That's a good biscuit. I will say that I was surprised, and once again, may not be common here, but most of our fast food chicken places in the US come with mashed potatoes and gravy, or there's an option for a side of mashed potatoes and gravy. But they don't have that option here. They had macaroni salad and other options, but I was surprised that mashed potatoes and gravy was not one of them, because to me, that's just very common at a fast food fried chicken restaurant. So, but either way, back to the biscuit. Biscuit's really good. So far, Royal Castle 2, KFC 0. All right, so now I'm gonna get into this chicken breast. It's definitely seems to be fried. I guess it would be possibly longer or at a higher heat, because it's a lot more crispy than the KFC chicken. The KFC one seems to be a bit more flaky and more lightly fried. This one's, definitely fried a lot longer. Well, I think we're just gonna dig in it. Yeah, it's a pretty solid piece of chicken. It's It's also juicy. I would say it's not quite as juicy as the one I got at KFC, but then again, this is a chicken breast. That was a chicken thigh. Usually the dark meat is a little juicier, so, but it's still not dry. It's just not as juicy as what I got at KFC. I almost feel like the spicy chicken here at Royal Castle is a little spicier than the one I had at KFC. Yeah, that's definitely a little spicier than the KFC one. So I think it's really good. I like that heat. So to me, at Royal Castle, if you're getting the original or the spicy, there's like a really big gap between the two. So I like that better. If you like spicy, you're gonna love this one because it's definitely spicier than KFC. Yeah, so as far as the winner on the chicken, that's kind of a toss-up because I like the heat that this one has, but I think I still overall like the one at KFC slightly better because it was just a juicier piece of chicken. Maybe I need to go back and get a thigh so I can do a proper comparison. But like I said, I do like the heat of this one, but it's something about the lightly fried batter and all in that KFC chicken that I had in the previous video. I think I would give the edge to KFC on the fried chicken itself. All right, now for the chicken sandwich. And let's just start out by saying this thing is huge. It's like, that was nice. YouTube's hard, so please subscribe. So this thing is like the size of my head. So it's a very big sandwich. It's kind of hard to believe that you get a chicken breast, fries, a biscuit, and a chicken sandwich all in a box. Like, that is a very big meal. It's a lot of food for the price. It is around $2,000 for the Castle box, which is about $10 US. So very fair for $10 when you're getting, like I said, basically 4 things. So now let's go ahead and dig into this chicken sandwich. Yeah, very good chicken sandwich. I'm not sure what the white sauce is on here. It appears to be some type of mayonnaise-based sauce, but it has like a slight orange tint. Obviously it isn't the pepper because I have that on the side. But, you know, I'm just not sure exactly what it is that they put on there. Maybe it's some type of just special sauce. But either way, it does come with a special sauce, and I did add cheese. They asked about that. I did add the cheese. But the chicken sandwich, it's delicious. For a fast food chicken sandwich, it is really good. And you can see the orange and all that's on the chicken from all the spices for the spicy chicken. So, yeah, it's a really good chicken sandwich. Yeah, I could easily go back and just get the chicken sandwich and would be totally happy. You know, I didn't get the chicken sandwich at KFC, but it'd be hard to beat this one. This is a really good sandwich. All right, so with Royal Castle, I would say if it was about the chicken by itself, nothing else, I probably would still give that edge to KFC, even though the heat from this one is more to my taste. I really like that extra little heat they give. But as far as the crinkle cut fries, the biscuit, the chicken sandwich, all those items I would much rather here at Royal Castle than KFC. And I mean, in the biscuit, it's not even close. To me, this biscuit is way better than KFC's biscuit. But anyway, I'd love to hear what y'all think down in the comments. So let me know if you prefer KFC or if you are more of a Royal Castle fan. And if you do eat at Royal Castle, let me know what your favorite items are, because it may be something I hadn't tried yet, and I would love to go back and try it. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 2 days.